Across, let it drift a little bit. Just a little action. Shoot, and there's never one last cast, right? I'm just gonna swing this guy right up into there. There we go. Start way up at the top of that hole. Ooh, did you see that? Damn it. Did you see that? Right out. Let's see if we can't get him back. And right into there. Let's jig that back right into there. That was awesome. That would have been awesome if I got that. Let it dead drift and jig it across. They're in there, they're hungry. Get it up into there. There we go. That's where it was before. Just let it sink. Drift it, jig it, 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 drift it, jig it. There we go. All right. It's about time. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on. You got to keep your tip down. There's another one right there. All right. Let's see if we can't get him. Ah, snagged him. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. He must have went after it and then got him.